This video is supposed to show you how to attach your SOMNOscreen Plus device to yourself at home. In the SOMNOmedics bag, you'll usually find a nasal cannula, a corresponding pressure sensor, a finger clip, the SOMNOscreen main device itself, a belt and shoulder strap for attaching the main device, as well as two inductive effort belts, the ones with a blue line in the middle of the belts. Begin with attaching the finger clip. Slide the cable through your sleep shirt to make sure the cable won't disturb you too much while sleeping. Place the finger clip on one of your fingers. All fingers except for the thumb can be used. Fix the cable with sticking plaster so you won't accidentally pull at the cable. Put the plug of the finger clip into the bottom of the device as shown. Make sure the memory card of the device is inserted completely into the device. The cable of the finger clip will prevent you from accidentally pressing the ejection button for the card. Now use the belt and shoulder strap to fixate the SOMNOscreen Plus device at your chest. Pull the belt tightly around your chest without constraining your breathing. It should be tight but not uncomfortable. Put the shoulder strap underneath the effort belt, stick it together with the Velcro and pull it behind your back, underneath your armpit and above your shoulder. Use the Velcro to fixate the shoulder strap at the back of the SOMNOscreen device. The device should be placed at the lower end of your rib cage. Continue with attaching the inductive effort belt and sensor at your chest as shown. Take care of the pictures at the sensor that indicate which sensor is meant for your chest and which one is meant for your belly. Take care to properly press the belt into the press buttons. You will hear a click sound once you've pressed the belt properly into the press button. Each belt got 4 press buttons. Adjust the belt size so it is tight but not uncomfortable. Make sure to not overstretch the inductive belts with the blue line, as this could damage the belt and render it unusable. Continue with the abdomen belt and attach it at your belly as shown. Again, make sure the belt is tight but not uncomfortable. Plug the sensor cable into the effort plug of the SOMNOscreen device and continue with plugging the pressure sensor into the press port of the SOMNOscreen. Attach the nasal cannula to the pressure sensor by screwing it onto the sensor. After screwing the nasal cannula to the sensor, place the nasal cannula at your nose. Slide the nasal cannula tube behind your ears and underneath your chin, and then use the sliding tube to tighten the nasal cannula so it sits tight but not uncomfortably on your face. In addition, you might fixate the nasal cannula with some adhesive tape at your face. You can now go to sleep. The measurement will start automatically. There is no need to press any buttons on the device. On the next morning, you can remove the device and its sensors. Make sure to put all parts into the carrying bag you have received and bring the device to your doctor at the agreed appointment.